hit clean the milk machine.
This the machine?
Yeah. Take this out. Tablets. This machine will physically, this goes to the back of this. Put one tablet inside. Insert the tube inside there so the back of this goes to the back. I always empty the drip tray. This should be getting emptied at least twice a day.
Oh, wait.
See how much milk is in it? Then when if Arnold doesn't come, when that machine's finished, this has to be wiped or cleaned with a little light soap and water and rinsed out. That's so that the milk that's sitting down in the bottom is not sitting there sour. With the arrow, it tells you what to do. I do that part at the end. Take out this dry the suction cup because it's going to suck all the solution up in it and clean it, sanitize it. Start refilling. That's this. This door has to stay open so that the machine, this does not overheat because it gets to a boiling capacity.
Oh.
This can close. This will automatically stop on its own. Put this in here. Some people use it, some people don't. That's just to catch the excess water, just in case. Because what'll happen if this overflows, it'll stop immediately. The machine will stop doing what it's doing.
Okay. Look at Michael Jackson's little sister. Michael Jackson's little sister.
I feel like ironing today.
Okay, so when the other side supposed to start?
It doesn't start until this stops filling.
Oh.
You can stop it on its own, but sometimes it'll run out of water. So I let it stop itself.
Okay.
So if you see when this machine is up, empty the drip tray. I've already done that. So it's just telling you to leave this door open while the machine is cleaning stage. Then it takes at least, it'll tell you when it's done, but it goes up to 90%, and that's when it's finished cleaning.
Okay. So does it clean on the milk tube as well?
Right. It'll clean the milk tube. It'll fill with water, suck it up, spit it out in here. So it's running water through the tube, so it can. Then the tube, what it'll do is fill up in here, drawing the water out of here, filling it up in here. Then the tube will start sucking up the water in the solution, and pull it through the machine, through the milk section of it, and the water.
So how does the tube get a second cleaning? To make sure there's no solution in the tube then?
It'll rinse it. It'll rinse it.
Okay, so it'll wash it and rinse it.
Wash and rinse.
Oh, okay. Smart.
So you just let it take its course. I'm not sure if he's going to come